You plug in your phone at an airport charging station, and in seconds, a hacker has access to your data. Sounds like a science fiction movie, right? But it's real. Welcome to the dark world of juice jacking. Juice jacking is a cyber attack where hackers exploit public USB charging stations to infect your device with malware or steal sensitive data. USB cables aren't just for charging, they also transfer data, making them a perfect tool for attackers. Juice jacking affects any device with a USB port, including smartphones, tablets, laptops, smartwatches, e-readers. And the high-risk locations are airports, hotels, cafes, public transport stations, shopping malls. And in 2019, the FBI and Los Angeles DA issued warning about public charging stations being used for cyber attacks. Many airports and hotel USB ports have been found compromised by attackers using malicious charging kiosks. Let's understand how juice checking works. Step 1. The infected charging stations. Hackers install malware infected microcontrollers or small single boarded computers like Raspberry Pi inside public USB charging stations. Alternatively, attackers use a USB data harvesting device like a Bash Bunny or OMG cable that looks like a normal charger but actually exfiltrates data. Step 2. The attack execution. As soon as you plug in your phone, the malicious USB port triggers a hidden command to initiate data transfer without your knowledge. The malware can clone your phone's data, install keyloggers to track everything you type, deploy ransomware or spyware, and hijack your phone remotely using tools like Metasploit. Step 3. Exploiting your device. Attackers use tools like ADB, that is Android Debug Bridge, or iOS vulnerabilities to gain unauthorized access. Advanced threats can even bypass biometric security using brute force techniques. Let's discuss different type of juice jacking attacks. First one is data theft attack, where hackers extract data like contacts, passwords, emails, and text messages. Tools like USB rubber ducky or Wireshark can be used for sniffing data. Second one is malware injection attack. Attackers inject spyware, ransomwares, or trojans into connected device. Common malware used are Pegasus spyware, Exobot, and Xloader. Third one is power only mode bypass. Some devices have a charge only mode, but hackers can manipulate low level USB protocols to force data transfer. Example, if USB debugging is enabled, attackers can exploit it using ADB commands. Now we will discuss how to stay safe from juice checking. First one is user data blocker. A USB data blocker like PortaPow or Juice Jack Defender ensures only power passes through, not data. Second, carry your own charger and adapter. Always plug into a wall socket instead of a public USB port. Third one is enable USB restricted mode, specifically for iPhone users. You have to go to settings, then Face ID and passcodes, then USB accessories, then disable to block unauthorized access. Fourth one is use a power only cable. Some charging cables don't have data pins, ensuring no data transfer is possible. Fifth one is disable USB debugging for Android users. If debugging is enabled, hackers can send ADB commands to control your device. Go to settings, then developer options, then USB debugging and turn it off. Sixth one is use a VPN on public networks. Some advanced juice jacking attacks use public Wi-Fi to steal data in parallel. A VPN encrypts your traffic, making it harder for hackers to intercept data. Juice jacking is a silent yet dangerous cyber threat that can steal your data in seconds. The best defense: avoid public USB ports. Stay safe, stay secure, and always think before you plug in. So, would you ever use a public charging stations again? Let me know in the comment.